Hi, welcome to episode 20. So today we'll talk about the differences between a $2,000 website to a $5,000 website. That's one of the questions that I was recently asked, and also, I get this question fairly often. So before I dive into the big differences, I want to think about how a web project is built, right? A website's built. So you look at three pieces. You want definitely someone that understands the marketing piece, so how to market the business through the website. Then you want to look at design, and then you want to look at development. I would say those are the basics. And then from a website standpoint, you have from the design you want to design out mock-ups, and then from there, once all the designs are done, you want to be able to then start writing code. And after coding, you want to do thorough testing, and then finally launch, right? So the issue with the $2,000 website is that typically it's usually one individual. And when it's one individual, they might not necessarily have all the skill sets of what, let's say, a designer with UX UI experience, or from a developer standpoint that understands both front end and back end. Then also, who's doing all the testing, right? Is there a QA person or a tester that specializes in the different types of tests? And then if you want to go even deeper, we have basically compliance pieces. So you want to know if the site is compliant for ADA, which is like for disabilities, individual with disabilities, or if it's like GDPR from basically that's something recent from Europe that was implemented. So you want to think about all these factors for building a site. So if they're offering a $2,000 site, chances are it's an individual. They're putting it together, and they might be just grabbing a template online and not really focusing on the website itself, on the market for your business. So whenever I look at building a website or doing consulting with businesses, I focus on business first, not the technology. So they should be talking more about the business, the marketing, the integration, the operations, how the website will help them, not so much here's a $2,000 website and we're going to grab a template and update it for you. That won't produce as well results. So hope that helps. Bye.